Welcome back to Talk of Alabama. If you're in need of hip replacement or surgery, well, then you are in luck with this segment. We are joined now by Dr. Jeffrey Davis with Andrews Sports Medicine and Orthopedic Center, and he's performed nearly 350 hip resurfacing procedures. So you've been busy.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, who would be an ideal candidate for this? Who needs a hip replacement? I mean, is it pain that you're feeling that you think, oh, I might need to have that looked at?
Yeah, it's mostly pain, obviously. Sometimes stiffness, you can't reach your foot very well, put on socks and shoes.
Okay.
Clip your toenails, that kind of thing. But mostly it's pain. Pain is the primary reason.
So what would cause this? Is it just old age? Is it bone deterioration?
Old age generally is not the cause. I mean, certainly wear and tear over time can cause that. Sometimes we're seeing it in younger and younger people because of activity, because of trauma, sports-related type activities. You can get osteonecrosis, which is where the blood supply gets injured to the femoral head, and sometimes that can cause collapse and cause the need for hip replacement at an early age. Rheumatoid arthritis has always been traditionally one of the reasons, but that's treated so well now with medications that we don't see a whole lot of that much anymore.
Now, is hip replacement different than hip resurfacing?
It is. It's a similar operation in terms of the approach and the outcomes, but it is a different operation. We don't take as much bone with hip resurfacing, and we don't alter the mechanics, and it's a more durable implant. You can do more things on it than with hip replacement.
And when you see patients with hip conditions that come in to see you, what kind of conditions or what are they working with that you normally see symptoms and such?
It's mostly groin pain. It's pain in the front of the hip is primarily hip pain. We always say that hip pain is primarily front pocket pain, and back pocket pain is usually back pain. People come in and often say they have hip pain. It's in their buttock or their back pocket, and it's more frequently from their back that's causing that pain, although it can be from the hip.
Now, we talked about the resurfacing, and you've done about 350 of these. Is that what people are going more toward now than actual replacement?
Well, I think it depends on the patient. It's all about the patient selection. I mean, traditionally these operations were done in older patients that were fairly sedentary, and there wasn't a lot of demand on the implants. But as more and more younger people are wanting to remain more active with bad joints, we're having to come up with better implants to accommodate them. And one of those is hip resurfacing. We don't do hip resurfacing generally in the older patient population or in people that are more sedentary or people with poor bone quality because it doesn't work as well as hip replacement does.
Okay.
So it's reserved for more active individuals.
What about men and women? Is there a difference?
Women's bones tend not to be as strong as men's bones, and so the implant requires a strong base or strong bone to be on it. So we're a little more careful about doing it in women than in men, but certainly if a woman is active and is at a younger age and is really not a good candidate for hip replacement long term, then we will do it in women also, yes.
Okay, so ideal candidate?
Ideal candidate, well, ideal candidate would be generally what we say is men under 60, women under 55 that are active, that have end-stage arthritis, that has failed conservative treatment, that we've tried to get it better with medications, physical therapy, and those kind of things, and has failed those, and they want to remain active. If patients choose to not be active or don't want to do sports or don't want to run or jump or just want to walk the dog and just want to go to the grocery store without pain, hip replacement serves those patients well.
Okay, so in closing, it's andrewsportsmedicine.com for more information. You can also call them at 939-3699. And I assume, are your kids home on holiday this week? Are they watching?
They are hopefully watching. My wife just said that she had a hair appointment, so I think that probably took precedence over watching me on TV.
Oh, darn it.
But they did tell me to say hips don't lie.
That's true. Yeah, that's a shout out to Shakira, you know, hips don't lie. And if she keeps moving her hips like that, she's going to be visiting him in a few years getting hip resurfacing. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, my pleasure. It's good to see you.
Oh, and I hear it. Y'all hear it? Yes, there it is. Let's take that to commercial break. A little Shakira to kick you off into your commercial. You're watching ABC 3340. We are back in a moment.